So hi guys, I'm here at the Kotna Beach, Vadodara. It is very popular place nowadays. It was not as popular as this before COVID, because I guess in COVID people started exploring local places. So it is near to Sindh Road. You can Google the place, and I'm recording this entire video in 4K, and I'm not gonna cut this video. So I'm gonna show you how the Kotna Beach is. So you can see it is a very beautiful place. The only problem is that since it has started being explored by people, you can see a lot of rubbish and plastic bags. People are throwing shit, and that's what biggest problem with humans is, that we explore places and we make it very dirty. So it's my sincere request to people that whenever you come to Kotna or any other place where you can find joy and you can feel nature, don't spoil it, because a lot of people, especially those who live nearby, come here for their daily things, to wash their clothes. Birds come here, animals come here, so please don't spoil. We are not the only one living on this planet, and it's very saddening because I explored this place way before people did. So at that, when I used to come here a year ago, it was very clean. Just now you can see a lot of birds, and I know they will fly away, but yeah, you can see here there are a lot of birds there. So it's a very good place, so you come here. But again, I'm saying, if you are going to throw bad things here, please don't come. Stay at home and do whatever shit you're doing there. But yeah, if you come here, enjoy the nature and enjoy very good scenario, because in Vadodara you will not actually find many places to hang out, many places where you can find nature. There are places, malls and all. So a sincere request that whenever you come, be a bit responsible, okay? And you can see it, and the behind there is Sindh Road Bridge. People, it is also a very famous spot where people just stand by and see the river, and it's there, and actually this place looks more crowdy when you come in early morning, or uh, at the time of sunset in the evening. It is almost winter has set in, and it's quite hot here, so obviously this is probably 12 o'clock, so you won't find much people right now, and this is the time where I come, because I can find my peace, and yeah. So so all of you can see, just all birds are flying just because I came. Sorry. And yeah, it's very nice place, and I hope you can literally see the entire place properly, and making sure this video has been shot in 4K, so you can see even minor details which you might not be able to see other vlogs where it is in full HD or HD. And I don't have a editor for 4K videos right now, so I'm gonna purchase it. I'm making it uncut, so I can upload it raw, because if I will edit, it will be transformed into full HD, and again the quality will be compromised. And I'm shooting it on Sony ZV-E10, I guess that's the name, and it is very popular vlogging camera, and I don't even need external mic on this vlogging camera. So I hope you like this small vlog, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.